Hey, what's up everyone? This is Travis with Remax in Costa Rica. I just wanted to show you a very cool house that should be ready for delivery in May. If you are interested in purchasing this, it can be bought on pre-construction as well. Take a look. Another beautiful day, 26 degrees Celsius here, about 15 degrees cooler on average than the beach. So let's walk up. What you're gonna see here is a 4-bedroom home with the top being reserved for an executive suite. This will all be glass stairs here. Obviously door here. Walk in. So the right here will be a bedroom. Balcony here with sliding glass doors. The view of Tárcoles River all the way north. This will be a very nice fire pit down here. And then the pool is actually going to overhang the cliff here, so the view will be absolutely amazing. This here will be a bathroom, shower, dual vanity, makeup station, toilet in here, walk-in closet, washer dryer upstairs and downstairs. And you can see they use 7 foot instead of 10 foot just for the price of the windows. But what's nice is you have the roof line here that's actually elevated to maximize the view right when you walk in. Down here, you're going to have a two or three car carport. Entering into the downstairs living room. This will actually be the kitchen over here. Living room space. The wall here is where the TV will go, and you actually have room for a 100-inch TV. Going to have a little office here. This will be the utility room, and then this opens up to a bedroom, bathroom here. This will be a large bedroom here on the right side with an amazing view. This here is going to be the fire pit, common area. This is going to be the pool that overhangs the cliff here. This will be the 3rd bedroom. So you got 3 down, 1 up. Bathroom here. Walk-in closet here. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tour today. Like I said, they are accepting pre-sale reservation. The house will be delivered in May. It's about 700 square meters, so you got a lot of space in here. 1.45 million, and that gets you this beautiful ocean view in the mountain. We are exactly 1795 feet in the air. So yeah, this is a growing area called Nicoya. It's a mountain town, and the actual town from here is about 5 minutes away. So check it out. Cool area, close to the airport, close to Tárcoles, close to Jaco, close to Herradura, everything you need.